Welcome to DeltaCalc by CyprNet Solutions, the business and a date calculator built for precise, auditable time math. If you work with contracts, billing, SLAs, logs, maintenance windows, or workforce time tracking, DeltaCalc gives you fast answers you can trust, without clutter, ads, or subscriptions. Let's walk through the calculators in order. First, between dates and times. Here you enter a start and end date and time, or tap Now, and DeltaCalc instantly shows the exact difference, including calendar-aware years, months, and days, plus total days, hours, minutes, and seconds. Next is the epoch converter. This is for translating Unix epoch seconds or milliseconds into a human-readable date and time in local time or UTC. And it also works the other way, so you can take a real timestamp and get clean epoch values for technical work. Third is add and subtract. Start from now or pick a specific base moment. Then add or subtract years, months, weeks, days, hours, or minutes, and DeltaCalc returns the exact resulting date and time with a plain English summary so there's no ambiguity. Now we move into Pro Tools for professional workflows. Lease term takes a contract or lease length and breaks it into clear calendar components like years, months, and days, with optional start date support to produce an end date you can reference confidently. Notice window helps you avoid costly mistakes by calculating the last safe notice date from a contract end date, and it can also include an optional grace period so you see the full window at a glance. Proration is built for billing and finance scenarios, letting you prorate a full period amount over partial usage, quickly showing what's owed based on used days versus total days in the period. Installments generates recurring due dates from a first due date and a chosen interval like monthly, quarterly, yearly, or even a custom day count, producing a clear schedule you can rely on. For IT, DevOps, and networking, TTL and cache expiry converts a TTL in seconds into exact wall clock expiry times in both local time and UTC, plus a readable breakdown that makes the timing instantly obvious. SLA9s translates uptime targets like 99.9% into allowed downtime across common periods like day, week, month, and year, with clear time breakdowns so you can communicate risk and tolerance precisely. Maintenance helps you plan maintenance windows by calculating start and end times across local time, UTC, and additional time zones, so you can coordinate changes without time zone confusion. Log timestamps normalizes mixed timestamp formats, including Unix seconds, Unix milliseconds, and ISO 8601, into a consistent reference time, then renders it cleanly in local and UTC for troubleshooting, incident timelines, and correlation work. Finally, DeltaCalc includes workforce and project-oriented tools. Shifts and overtime summarizes a shift into networking time, then splits regular versus overtime based on a configurable threshold, making it easy to audit hours accurately. And age and tenure calculates age or tenure as of a selected reference date, including total days, calendar breakdown, business day counting that excludes weekends, and even the next anniversary timing. Perfect for HR, service tenure, and compliance reporting. That's DeltaCalc. Fast, clean, professional-grade date and time math, built for business and IT.